Maybe you love Minecraft and Netflix and you want to combine them to make something awesome. Creating a Netflix banner in Minecraft can be super fun, and I'll show you how to do it in just a few steps. So first you're going to need to gather the right materials. You'll need wool in red, black, and white, and a few other colors. These are the main colors for the Netflix logo. Next, use a crafting table to create a banner. So place your wool in the right pattern. Start with the red wool as your background color. Then, use the white wool to make the letters for Netflix. You can use the loom to add the details and make the banner look sharp. Another tip is to use banners in your builds to decorate areas like movie rooms or theaters in your Minecraft world. Finally, hang up your new Netflix banner and show it off to your friends. Now, if you're ready to get started, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.